Okay, so today again I am back with another BTS reaction. This is one of their live performances. This is Pied Piper live performance with English lyrics. Now this has been requested quite a number of times because I have been told and I have been warned beforehand that I might get incinerated with their hotness in this performance, and I was specifically asked to do the reaction with the English lyrics so that I get the full context of the song and the performance. I'm really excited. I want to see what the hype is about. I know they are very good looking and hot, but apparently here they have taken their hotness to another level, so of course I'll be interested to watch that. So yeah, without delaying this, let's just start. Pied Piper. Very interesting name of the song. Okay, 1, 2 and... The army crowd always gets me. Like, I sometimes get surprised how packed the stadiums and the concert venues are. Oh, okay. Yes. Oh, nice. Ah. Them in black hair is just okay. Oh, Jungkook looks great. Ooh. Stop. Wait, what? Oh, I do know this is a song that they did for the armies where they're dissing the fandom. Oh, okay. You can't stop. So oh my God, Namjoon. Why? His eyes are so expressive. Stop this, you can analyze the movie later. Movie? Which movie? They do movies also? React, Bon Voyage. Damn, look at Namjoon. Oh! Oh my... Okay. I know. Yeah, they are looking extremely... Look at Jin! Our worldwide handsome. Does he have purple hair? Is that purple hair? And that note he pulled, oh my God. Where do I look? Subtitles or them? Come here, I am your paradise. Armies, were you okay? Were you okay after this song? Please let me know. How can they say go study for exam by looking like this? Who will go and study for exams? And then he says good girl. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. I'm sorry I'm pausing again and again, but look, come here, I'm your paradise. Damn! Damn! Oh, Jin looks great. Ah, follow the sound of the Pied Piper. Oh, ah. Jimin's vocals. Ooh, I'm here to do it. Oh wow, yes. I'm taking over you. Dudes know what they are doing. They just know what they're doing, huh? They know armies are gonna go just crazy after watching them like this, and they still do it. And then they're singing this song that go study, don't get distracted, your boss hates me and your whatever, your parents hate me. I see what you're doing. I'm taking over you. Ooh! Oh my! Taeyang knows that he's ultra hot and he can just kill armies with his smile. And I love Taeyang in this perm hairstyle, and Jungkook and them in black hair is just, and his vocals are so, I don't know, Taeyang's vocals are still my favorite and they are just so intoxicating. Look at the dude smile, he knows he's killing all the audience over there. Look at him! Oh, his vocals! Yes, Yogi! Oh! Please keep black hair. This, I am guilty pleasure you can't escape. This, I think I can relate most to this line, because I think since the first time I reacted to BTS, I found out about them in August, right? So, August or July? July, sorry, not August, July. Beginning of July. So, July, August, and now September is half over. So, in 2.5 months, they are my guilty pleasure. Like I said, not a single day goes by without listening to at least one song of theirs. And now this song, oh. Jungkook looks great. Jungkook looks great. I think Jungkook, Taeyang and Jin are specifically catching my eye. And Namjoon always catches my eye, so that's like a given. Everybody again, like look at Hobie with that black. Oh. So I'm just gonna stop commenting on their looks because Jin looks fab. I love when Taeyang pulls the high notes because I know he has a very deep voice. So whenever he's pulling high notes, I'm really liking it. And they sound so good live. They sound amazing live. Amazing. Little dangerous. Jungkook knows what he's doing. To all the Jungkook stans, I'm really sorry. You must have died and gone to heaven after Luke. And he's staring at the camera so intensely. Oh, Jimin's vocals. Yes! Jin! Jin has won this for me. Kim Seokjin. Woo! Jin! Kim Seokjin. Namjoon. Kim Seokjin has won this battle of hotness for me in this song. He looks incredible. I loved. Okay, first let me close this. Pied Piper. I got why this song is called Pied Piper because they are the Pied Piper and our armies are the rats, something like that, and we are just following them. They are playing the flute and we're just following them. But Pied Piper, like, I don't know how many of you all know the story of Pied Piper. First he was, you know, there to ward off all the rats, and then he took all the children with him in the end. Here I am seeing that, yeah, they're saying that we are gonna, you know, keep playing the flute, but you are not being punished. But just, you know, I am taking over you. That line is also there, but they are saying go study and all of that. Very difficult for armies to study if you are gonna do body rolls like that. And oh my god, whoever's bias is there, all the bias OT7 people would have been dead here, and they know what they are doing. But for me, if you ask me who took your breath away, it's Kim Seokjin, the eldest one. He looks great. I know he's worldwide handsome and all, but here, that title, he's not just worldwide handsome, he's galaxy-wide handsome, I feel, because he looks, his features are unreal. His features are unreal, and I never thought purple hair would suit him this much. He looks great. This song is also great. I am tired of saying that songs are great. Tell me one song, armies, that I can just say, okay, yeah, it's not that great. Every song I play after I react, and then I play on my phone, and I'm just jamming to those songs again and again and again and again. Okay guys, that was my reaction to Pied Piper Live. Thank you so much. I now completely know what you guys were talking about when you said that they are dissing us by looking extra hot. Yes, armies, I know your pain. I am just so new to all this, and still I'm feeling like, yes, they are my guilty pleasure, so I know what you are feeling. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this reaction of Pied Piper Live by BTS, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. This is a new channel, as you all know. My regular viewers, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel as well. And for the new viewers, I hope you enjoyed this reaction, and more to come in future. Not just BTS, all the K-pop groups that I can explore at my end, I will react to them for sure. Alright guys, so that was the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.